Hi everybody. In this video I'm going to show you these Chevys. I have 5 different models here. 3 of them are by Racing Champions Mint and 2 of them are by M2. The lower ones of Racing Champions are 55 Bel Airs and the upper ones are 55 Chevy 210s. Let's unbox them and take a look at them, but before we unbox them I'd like you to please leave your like below and subscribe to my channel. Let's unbox them. 1955 Chevrolets. I have 2 here. They're made by M2 Diecast and 3 over there that are made by Racing Champions. Very well made. And these 2 ones are 210s and the ones in the back are Bel Airs. One curious thing is Bel Airs are pillared and the 210s are hardtop. Let's go to them. Well, the first one I'm going to take this is M2 210. It's a 1955 210. It's got a straight 6 engine, which looks very nice in this model. It was available in the simpler model. This Chevrolet badge here, as we can see, that's typical for the 210s. There are no emblems around here, and trims sort of resemble the Bel Air trims, but there's no front trim just like there used to be in a Bel Air. The 2-tone paint with the rear badges and the trunk. The exhaust pipes right here. Wheels with small hubcaps and a white and gray interior with a black dashboard and a black steering wheel. It's a very nice car. Let's take a look at the Racing Champions, which is slightly bigger. We can put it over here. This base, it has approximately 3.5 inches. M2 is a little bit shorter. It means that one of them is out of scale, but slightly out of scale really. It's not really something you can say that this model is not very well done. It's they're both very well done in very nice proportions. The cars are really excellent in the way they were made. The Bel Air, on the other hand, as we know, is V8. This is black and gold, which looks very nice. It's a little fancier. That's the badge in the trunk, lid, the chrome. It's painted on just like in the M2, and they're both very well done. The tail lights are cast on metal here in the Racing Champions. In the M2 they're different plastic pieces. Very nice. The fronts are both very well made. There's a difference in alignment. That doesn't mean it's misaligned. You can see that the Racing Champions is slightly wider. It means both cars are in the right proportions within the scales. This hood ornament is a different piece in the M2. It's cast on and Racing Champions. The Racing Champions Bel Air, which is a little bit fancier. It's got the complete wheel covers and this extra trim here, which seems to be an accessory of the time, just like this bar here from bumper. Have 2 more Racing Champions, which is the salmon and black with a black interior. Looks very nice. It's also a V8. You can see the engine compartment was very well taken care of. These Racing Champions, by the way, are from the same collection of those Ford Galaxies I've shown before. And this copper and black, that looks fantastic. That's a Racing Champions Bel Air as well. And the last but not least is the M2 210, but it's 210 has got a difference from the white and blue, because this one is a V8, the other one is a straight 6. The interior is the same, color scheme is the same, the trims, the emblems, the wheels and hubcaps, tail lights, double exhaust. I don't know why they have the double exhaust here in the 6-cylinder car, but perhaps that's a production detail, really. Well, just leave the cars here. I thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, leave your comments, your likes below, and activate the bell for new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.